Are you marketing your plumbing or HVAC business to the entire market, or just the tiny fraction of people ready to buy today? Most business owners focus only on the 3% of customers actively looking for their services, leaving a massive opportunity untapped. Today, I'm going to teach you the buyer's pyramid, a concept from Chet Holmes, and show you how to unlock the other 97% of your market to grow your business like never before. Let me give you an example. When we started working with John, the owner of a small HVAC company in Delaware, his marketing focused solely on call now ads targeting homeowners with urgent heating or cooling issues. He was competing with every other HVAC business in town, and his results were inconsistent. But once we applied the buyer's pyramid strategy, John started generating leads from all stages of the customer journey. And his revenue increased by 50% in just 6 months. Here's how you can do the same thing. 1. Understand the buyer's pyramid. The buyer's pyramid breaks your market into 5 segments. 3% are ready to buy now. These are the people actively searching for a plumber or HVAC technician today. 7% are open to buying but not actively searching. They might consider your services if presented with the right opportunity. 30% are not thinking about it. And another 30% don't believe they need your services. And 30% are certain that they're not interested. Most businesses focus only on the 3% actively looking to buy, but if you expand your approach, you can capture the attention of the other 97% who aren't actively shopping but could be persuaded. Actionable tip: don't just run call now ads. Use marketing to educate and nurture potential customers at every stage of the pyramid. 2. Educate your market. The key to reaching the 97% of people not actively looking is education. For John's HVAC business, we created educational content about signs your HVAC system needs maintenance and how to lower your energy bills this winter. These topics resonated with homeowners who weren't actively searching but found value in the information. And when they needed service, they thought of John first. Actionable tip: create content that addresses your customers' pain points before they even realize they have them. Use blogs, videos, and social media posts to establish yourself as the expert in your field. 3. Use offers to capture the 7% open to buying. For the 7% of people who are open to buying but not actively looking, you need to give them a compelling reason to act. For John, we ran a campaign offering discounted HVAC tune-ups ahead of winter season. This small incentive was enough to nudge the open to buying segment into action, resulting in dozens of new customers. Actionable tip: offer something of value, like a seasonal discount, free consultation, or a maintenance package to engage customers who are on the fence. 4. Nurture the 30% not thinking about it. For the 30% not actively thinking about your services, nurturing is key. We set up an email sequence for John's leads, sharing tips like how to keep your HVAC running efficiently and when to consider a system upgrade. These emails kept his brand top of mind, so when these homeowners needed HVAC services, they already trusted him. Actionable tip: start building an email list and create a nurture sequence. Share value, not just promotions, to stay in front of potential customers year-round. 5. Branding to build long-term trust. For the 30% who don't think they need your services, branding and visibility matters. John's company sponsored a local community event which got his name in front of hundreds of potential customers. Even though they weren't ready to buy, they remembered his name when the time came. Actionable tip: focus on branding through sponsorships, events, or social media engagement to build trust with potential customers over time. By addressing every level of the buyer's pyramid, John's HVAC business went from chasing the same 3% as everyone else to capturing leads from the other 97%. His revenue didn't just grow, it became more consistent with a steady flow of new customers every month. If you're ready to expand your reach and tap into the full potential of your market, let's talk. At Gauge Digital, we specialize in helping plumbing, HVAC, and home service businesses create strategies that work for every level of the buyer's pyramid. Click on the link below and schedule a free strategy call. Let's build your pipeline for long-term success.